Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to create a simple animation in Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Let me maximize it. Right click on this default slide, cut it and go to the new slide. Take a blank slide. So here I'll design some of the objects and I'll use animations as well. So let me insert some of the shapes by going in the insert tabs, shapes, and I'll go to the format, shape fill, and I'll insert the objects by going from the images groups, clip art, and I'll type here car. So this, I'll click here go. Oh, it's not coming, car. See our car. Select all media types, click on go. Yes, the car is coming, so I'll put it here. This one, car. Insert shapes. Let me draw some pillars here for the bridge, and control and drag, copy it. This is the river, and insert shapes, control Z, insert shapes, take lines, let's say yes, again insert shapes, take the lines from here, and okay, insert shapes, format, shape fill. This for the clouds, yes, and let me apply some of the animations out here. Click on this clouds, go to the animations, add animations. I'll give here color pulse. I'll go to the animations and click on animation pans, start with previous in order to start without clicking on the mouse, timing, medium, and the repeat will be until end of the slides. I will check, I'll play it. Yeah, the animations has got effect here. Even I'll apply the same animations out here. I'll go to the animations, add animations, color pulse, and from this drop down I'll click start with previous, and then timing, I'll go to the medium, repeat until the end of the slide. I'll click on OK. I'll play and then check it. Yes, it is fine. And I'll apply the animations here in this car, how to move this car. So I'll go to the animations and I'll go to the add animations, more motion paths. I'll select from here more motion paths, and then from here I'll select right animations, or left animations, sorry, left animations. So if you see this and play this car, the car is, if you play this, the car is, start with previous, play it, the car is moving straight. So I'll go to the animation pan, timing, very slow, so I'll click OK. See, the car is moving. Yes, the car is moving, and even the animations also got effect out here. Let me click here slideshow, and then I'll see as a preview. See here, the car is moving. This way you can make simple animations in MS PowerPoint. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe it for more related computer fundamentals videos. Thank you, friends.